Hello everyone and welcome to Flipkart. Today we will be exploring Whirlpool Ice Magic PowerCool 5-star range of refrigerators, available in two finishes, Magnum Steel and Sapphire Radiance, both of which are available in two variants, with base stand and without base stand. The all-new 5-star range with IntelliSense inverter technology operates at a wide voltage range and is energy efficient. Also, it can automatically connect to your home inverter during power outages, thus ensuring uninterrupted, efficient and uniform cooling experience with savings on electricity bills. Powered by advanced insulated capillary technology and laminar airflow, Whirlpool refrigerator make ice faster than any other products in its class, so that you are never short of ice. In insulated capillary technology, the capillary which takes the refrigerant from the compressor to the freezer is completely surrounded by supercooled gas, leading to better compressor efficiency, faster cooling and longer cooling retention for up to 12 hours in the entire refrigerator. The special cooling vents at the back of freezer regulate the airflow for uniform cooling in the refrigerator. In the event of a power outage, it automatically connects to the home inverter, thus delivering consistent cooling and maintaining long-lasting freshness of fruits and vegetables. Whirlpool's single-door refrigerators can stably operate in wide voltage range and do not require a separate stabilizer. This refrigerator comes with 10 years warranty on the compressor. So come aboard the Flipkart family for a seamless purchase experience with quick delivery, hassle-free installations, detailed demo and a short brand warranty for all your appliances.